Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to show storage in Yahoo Mail on computer. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Yahoo Mail and then sign into your account, make sure you're logged into your account, and then go to check your storage, press on your profile icon and then go to storage. Here you can see that how much storage available. For example, in my case, 100% available. Usage just 23.9 megabyte from the 1 terabyte that I have in Yahoo Mail. So if your storage is reaching the limit like soon, you can delete emails. Or you can put some emails in spam. This will make your storage wavier, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.